Hi everyone.
Hello.
We're about to take a whirlwind 20-day road trip. Today is February 28th, 2025. It's Friday. We're actually going to head down towards California. We're going into the Sacramento area, but today we're only driving to Bend, which is about a halfway point, and we'll spend the night there. Then we're going to head to Vacaville, California, stay with my oldest son and his family for a couple days. And then Monday, we fly from Sacramento down to Southern California. We're going to be in the Disney area for a couple days. We're going to a first birthday party for our youngest grandson at Disneyland on Tuesday. And then his mommy and daddy just moved the whole family down to Huntington Beach. So we're going to watch him at their place in Huntington Beach while they're on vacation in Orlando, going to Walt Disney World.
Excuse me.
And then when they get back, we fly back Thursday, March 13th, where we'll be back in with my oldest son and his family. We're going to go back and forth between Lisa's mom and dad's house and my family. More on that in a minute. Sunday the 16th, we get to see and meet our youngest grandchild, our granddaughter from my youngest son and his wife. And we get to see our oldest granddaughter as well. She'll be with them. And then Monday, the big moving truck comes. We're going to be helping mom and dad pack up their entire house, all their belongings, all their memorabilia, everything. They're moving up to Idaho, where they bought a home from about 3 miles from us. And so we'll be leaving, that's Monday the 17th. We'll spend the night there with them. I love inflatable beds. And then we leave Tuesday morning with them. We're driving back up. We'll stop in Eugene, Oregon, which will be halfway coming up that way, go through Portland, come along the Columbia River, and then up north until we get into the Coeur d'Alene, Post Falls area, where they'll now call it home. Anyway,
There's our road trip.
that's our road trip. It's crazy. And you know what? None of this would be possible without our sweet and cute little friend, Molly, who's going to be staying at our house, watching our house and watching our dogs. And so thank you very much, Molly. Anyway, we want all of you to come along on this adventure with us.
Hi.
Well, here's the first part of our leg. We're in Washington. Just about 6 more hours to go till we hit Bend, Oregon.
We stopped at Bob's Burgers and Brew for lunch. It was delicious.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Our road trip started out a little different, didn't it? Do you want to tell our viewers what happened after they saw us on video earlier before we left?
Well, it's just a shame. We have a 2019 Volkswagen Atlas. It's never given us a bit of trouble. And we go to Starbucks. We're going to head out on the highway, and all of a sudden it starts overheating. So we took it to the Volkswagen dealership. It overheated. We had to park it there. The shuttle brought us back to our house. We got our other car, and we're on the road. An hour late. No biggie. It's the Columbia River.
We're going over the Columbia River right now. As you know, we are in Washington, but once we get over this bridge, we will be in Oregon. And it's the longest river that goes into the Pacific Ocean. But at least we're safe, and it didn't happen on our trip. And even though we had the other car cleaned and washed and new tires, this one's just fine. It will get us where we need to go. We're halfway to Bend, Oregon.
So we just stopped at one of our favorite places in Bend. It's called Greg's Grill. It's right on the Deschutes River here. And it's just a beautiful Friday evening. This is the river. That's their amphitheater over there where they have concerts. And just by luck, we're here, it's February 28th, and the planets are aligning tonight. If you look very closely, there's the moon. I'm gonna try and focus on it. There's the moon. And then straight up is one of the planets. And we're gonna see if we can see a couple more in a few more minutes. But lovely evening. Bend, Oregon. This is Greg's Grill. This is the river side of it. You can sit outside. It's a little chilly, but not bad. Lisa's in there. We got a booth over by the bar. And this is an old mill. Pretty neat spot. So now there's a planet that's emerged on the bottom, but the moon has disappeared, so I don't know where they're all lined up. Anyway, there's one way up there and one over there, but just glad that we got to see part of it. And there's our hotel that we're staying at. The guy said it was walking distance. It definitely is. It's a mill of some sort. We will find out what kind of mill this used to be and post it in comments at the very bottom of our screen here.
Thanks for watching. Please like us. Please subscribe. And until our next adventure, bye.